Hbar at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after losing a horizontal line of support above the 0.1961, flipping that key area back into resistance. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold above a key area of support above the 0.15325. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a breakdown move that is playing out here on the chart in a 5-wave structure, giving you the next target areas that you need to pay attention to. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.23, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the lower side, where we can term this initial breakdown move as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave, then continued to push a little bit lower in the formation of that wave 3, which has hit the minimum target areas. And I believe that this movement that played out over the weekend was the formation of that wave 4, and we can easily get one more new low in the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side. And to just show you that the second wave over here did the minimums, I will be connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of that first wave to the low of the wave 1, and you can see that we got a bounce into the area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which is the golden pocket, an area within which we got rejected, starting that pullback to the lower side in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to as the first minimum target area for the wave 3 was on the Fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.16379, an area that we fully maximized. Then over the weekend, you can see that we got a bit of a bounce in what we can term as the formation of this wave 4, and the minimum target areas for the wave 4 can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of that wave 3, and on so doing, the area that was the most ideal target area for the wave 4 was between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382. And you can see that we didn't get that bounce into that target area, and that is because we are in a downtrend, and that means that the bounce that we get over here might not fully maximize the minimum target areas. Therefore, it's very common for us to see such a bounce in the formation of this wave 4, and it is most likely that we have a high in place in the formation of that wave 4, and whatever is playing out over here is the start of another impulse to the lower side in the formation of this wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that wave 3, and on so doing, the area that I will be paying attention to as the first target area to the downside in the formation of that wave 5 lies on the Fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.13341 as my first target area, and that is an area that Hbar will easily maximize in case we get another push to the downside, breaking the low we made in the formation of this wave 3 above the 0.16. So the moment we flip that significant low back into resistance, continue pushing lower, and maybe also lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.15325, then expect further downside to fully maximize our minimum target areas to the lower side in the formation of that wave 5. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.